The heat wave that we've been talking about for weeks is still cooking New York, New Jersey, and the Mid-Atlantic tonight. It is 100 degrees in New York Central Park. That doesn't sound so bad, right? The problem is there is humidity. It feels much, much worse, well over 100. I'm hearing as high as 120. The National Weather Service says the smoldering humidity makes it feel up to 116 degrees. And warnings about excessive heat are stretching all the way from Kansas to Maine, south to the Carolinas. It is bad out there.
But triple digits are hardly headline news in the North State this time of year.
That's right. So the question, of course, why is it such a big deal everywhere else? I mean, it's not any hotter necessarily there than it is here, just a little. Let's get over, though, to First Alert meteorologist Rob Elvington. He's live and running, and he's got the answer for us, being that he's from the East Coast. Rob?
You know, most people on the West Coast don't recognize how dangerous the humidity can be. Some do. Here's what they had to say.
I was in Florida, and it was humid there, and I mean, there's nothing like that. I'm from Southern Oregon, it wasn't like that at all. You take a shower, walk outside, and you'd just be soaking with sweat again. Like, it was bad. I was there for 2 weeks, and I liked it for about a week, and then I was like, I just want to go home.
If it's like 90 degrees down the south, it's like 110 down in the Georgia, Alabama areas.
Go to a water park and get cool.
I'm out at the Waterworks Park in Redding, and temperatures are sitting in the mid to upper 90s, so not a big difference from the East Coast. But there is one big difference. It's the humidity. The humidity makes it feel like it's about 20 degrees hotter than it really is. So here in the North State, when you jump out of the pool, you're soaking wet. So what happens? The water evaporates and cools your body. That's the natural mechanism to cool your body. But on the East Coast, when you jump out of the pool, the air is so saturated, so all that water can't evaporate, so you just get hotter and hotter, and that leads to heat illnesses such as heat exhaustion and possibly even a heat stroke. So let me break it down by the numbers for you. Say we hit 100 degrees today here in the North State with a dew point of about 40 degrees. That's going to leave you with a heat index of about 95 degrees. That's less than the actual air temperature. So on the East Coast, you're hitting a temperature of about 100 degrees with a dew point of 75 degrees. That's a very high humidity value. You're going to see heat index values of around 115 to 120, and that's when you start to get into dangerous levels for heat warnings. I'm meteorologist Rob Elvington, KRCR News Channel 7.
Hardly breaking a sweat out there, Rob. Thanks so much for that explainer. We, of course, dedicated to bringing you severe weather information first, anytime, anywhere. You can always check out our website, krcrtv.com, or download our severe weather app from your smartphone's app store. Just search for KRCR. It's very cool if you have a chance to use it. Well, it is the end of an era for the United States military.
No more don't ask, don't tell what people here in the North State have to say about gays serving openly